Hello my friend, I am super excited to welcome you to this amazing course on Azure Data Factory, where we have covered everything using hands-on practical demos plus real-world use cases. So my name is Amit Navgire. I am a Microsoft certified Azure data engineer. I work as an Azure data architect full-time. I have authored several popular courses on Udemy related to Azure Data Engineer services. I have 4.1 star instructor rating on Udemy with more than 645 plus reviews and 2000 plus students. So I am extremely delighted to let you know that this is undoubtedly the most popular course on Data Factory you will find on Udemy. And here are just some of the many reasons why this is the most popular course and widely accepted course. We have 2000 plus students already enrolled in this course, which is the largest number of students in any Data Factory course on Udemy. This course has 4.1 star rating with 600 plus reviews. This is the only course on Data Factory which covers all the topics in depth with practical lab sessions. We have a dedicated section for real world use cases. So I have not limited this course only for your academic purpose, but I have specially mentioned a separate section where we have covered all the real world use cases which you will face in your project, in your company. I am regularly updating this course with latest contents to keep it up to date. And the best part is you can reach out to me anytime for any doubts or concerns, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. These are just some of the feedback that I received on LinkedIn, where people have proudly posted their certificate of completion, and it gives me immense pleasure and motivation to know that this course is helping so many people in their real life jobs and also in their journey to become an Azure data engineer. These are just some of the many feedback that I have received on LinkedIn and on the course rating page as well. But a note over here, a very important note I would like to make is that this course is for beginners who are starting their journey on Azure Data Factory. So experienced people may find this course very basic. So let's look at the course content now. So we'll be starting right from the basic. We'll be starting with the introduction of what is Data Factory, why do we need a Data Factory, even what is ETL for that purpose. Then we'll slowly proceed and slowly make progress into the different building blocks of Data Factory. What are the different components that make up a Data Factory pipeline? And then we'll slowly pick up new activities like copy data activities, control flow activities, data flow transformation as well. Remember, all the topics are covered with practical examples which are simple and easy to understand. We'll be then covering some advanced topics like parameterizing a pipeline, a link service, and so on. And then also the monitoring section, where we'll be seeing how to monitor a Azure Data Factory pipeline when it runs. The last but the most important section according to me is the real world practical use cases, where we are going to see some of the most common and important case studies or use cases which you will definitely face in your projects if you are implementing a data factory. So I hope you like this course, and I wish you all the best and happy learning. Thank you.